In case if you see only the contact number instead of name in WhatsApp application, then there might be two reasons for this one. The first one is if you delete the contact from your phone, then in WhatsApp you will see only the phone number of the contact but not the name. So what you have to do in that case is you have to open the chat, tap on the phone number, then you have to select the option create new contact, and then you have to give a name to the contact. So I will save this contact, for example XYZ, save, and if I go back now I can see it as XYZ. So this is one reason. Now the other reason is if you have added a Gmail account in your iPhone, then what happens is the contacts that are present in the Gmail account, it will be downloaded and it will appear in the iPhone, and that same contact also appears in WhatsApp when you send the message. But suppose if you remove the Gmail account from your iPhone, then in that case also you will see only the contact number but not the name in WhatsApp application. So what you have to do, you have to again add the Gmail address to your iPhone. So for that one we will go to settings, we will scroll down and then we will go to mail, we will go to accounts, and then we will go to add account, select Google, select continue, and then you have to enter the Google address and then password. So once you have added the Google account, what you can do is you can go back to the mail again and accounts, and if I go to Gmail, I have this Gmail address added to my iPhone, and if you see there is an option contacts which is now enabled. So whatever the contacts are present in this Gmail account, it will be downloaded and it will be seen in the iPhone. So make sure that if you have deleted a Gmail account, you add it again so that you will see the contact name in WhatsApp and not the number only. Now the next thing what you have to do is go to settings, tap on the name here, go to iCloud, and if you see contacts are enabled in iCloud. So whatever the contacts that are present in iCloud, it will be downloaded and you can see it in your iPhone. But suppose if you disable this contact, then what happens is the contact might disappear from your iPhone, and due to that you can see only the number in WhatsApp but not the name. So make sure that you enable this contact in iCloud also, so that the contacts will be synced and you can see the name instead of number in WhatsApp application. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.